Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is October, so it's spooky season, and I wanted to do a Halloween makeup tutorial. I don't do makeup tutorials anymore, but I decided to do one of these because, I don't know, Halloween. Last year I did a pumpkin face. I will leave it up there somewhere. I did a cracked doll look. I don't really know what you call this. Yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off by priming my face. And then using my Dior foundation. It's my favorite one. You could use whatever foundation though, obviously. And then blending it with my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape and applying that in my highlighted areas and also blending that out with my beauty blender. To set or bake my face, whatever you want to do, I'm using the Coty Airspun powder. And then for my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow. And then using brow gel. For my eyes, I'm using the Morphe 39A palette, but you could use any palette, and I'm starting off with just a brown shade as my transition shade, and then I'm doing like a kind of a pink look, so I'm doing this plum shade, and then I'm going to go deeper in with a lighter pink shade. For my lid, I'm using Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. And I'm smoking out my waterline with a black eyeshadow and then blending it out with a pink eyeshadow. To bronze my face up, I'm using Hoola bronzer. And to highlight, I'm using this ColourPop highlighter. It's a loose powder and I love it so much. Lastly, for my eyes, I'm applying mascara and then applying Lily Lashes Miami. To create the cracked lines on my face, I'm using Kat Von D's Tattoo Eyeliner, and I'm starting off in the middle of my face, making like kind of like a hole, I'm guessing, and then gonna be drawing lines out of it. And this could be so random. I had no idea what I was doing, honestly. I kind of just started drawing lines and it turned out the way it did. So yeah, I'm like drawing lines, making some squiggly, whatnot. Here I'm drawing another hole in my face. You kind of make it like a triangular shape and then make lines coming out of it. It just like makes the illusion that like that part is cracked, I guess. And then I started going down my face. You get it. It's not that hard. You kind of just draw lines and hope for the best. So that's what I literally was doing. And yeah, you could see it for yourself and just copy it if you really want to, instead of me explaining what I'm doing because I don't really know what I'm doing. So yeah. To make these look even more realistic, I'm shading some areas with brown eyeshadow to make it look like it's going deep into my face, I'm guessing. I don't really know. But yeah, so I'm shading that. And then highlighting it with white paint or eyeliner will also make it look more realistic, so that's what I'm doing in certain places. I'm kind of just outlining some of the lines with white paint. Lastly, I'm applying lipstick, and that is it. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video.